At UCLan Cyprus, we are committed to empowering the next generation of entrepreneurs through innovation, creativity, and real-world impact. Through the Center for Entrepreneurial Development Alliance and Research, we deliver initiatives such as the Diodromio program, supporting students to transform ideas into business concepts, and the Idea Fest, where students' innovative projects are showcased and are supported by our industry partners. We participate in European-funded projects that strengthen entrepreneurship education, research to market pathways, and inclusive innovation, with themes ranging from neurodiversity and social impact to ethical leadership, misinformation awareness, gender equality, and human rights. More specifically, our research focuses on how small and family businesses build resilience in uncertain environments. These are real challenges faced by companies today. Our students apply this research directly in the classroom, analyzing real cases, developing entrepreneurial thinking, and understanding how strategy works beyond textbooks. We're especially proud that 2 of our business administration students represented our university in Austria at the Innovation Entrepreneurship Competition and won the first place, demonstrating the talent and potential of our student community.